I'm making the easiest flatbreads. They are ready in minutes and they taste absolutely divine. They are a great accompaniment to all sorts, not just curries, but all sorts of dips and hummus, and you know, the choice is yours. So I'm calling it flatbread, but this is quite a traditional bread we make, and it's called bhatura, which is traditionally eaten with chole, which is chickpea curry, as you can see here. And I did share a recipe of the chickpea curry quite recently, if you want to check it out. But basically this bread is super easy. If you need a written recipe, it's in my book Chaat Chutney. But today I'm not going to fry it. In this I'm frying it, but today I'm not going to fry it, and I'm making a nice healthy version. So let's get cooking. Here I have got 300 grams of plain flour, and to this I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm going to first quickly mix it up, and then I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of yogurt, just natural yogurt. And then again mix it. And here I have got 110 ml of water. I'm going to slowly add this and make it into a soft dough. Again, I might not need all of it, so please don't add all of it together. Please add little at a time, because you don't want a wet dough. Just going to knead it for a few seconds until it's smooth. I'm going to now let it rest in a bowl for 5 minutes is all you need, but if you have more time you can leave it for longer. So that's our dough that has rested. Oh, it's so nice. Okay, I'm just going to take a portion of that, just roll it in some flour and then roll it out. So now I can make this plain as it is, but today I am making it with a bit of zaatar spice mix. So I'm just going to put some water and then just sprinkle a bit of zaatar mix. It's a lovely blend of spices. And in goes in a hot pan. Just cook for a few minutes. So if you, so traditionally we don't even add cumin in the dough, but I've added it today because for what I'm using this breads for, I needed some flavor in it. And also if you can't find this zaatar mix, you can use a mixture of some fresh herbs, you can chop green chilies, some, you know, coriander, dill, or just keep it plain, or just some roasted cumin seeds. So there's lots you can do with the flavors here. And look, it's puffed up beautifully. Wow, it smells incredible and it's going to taste absolutely stunning. Just look at that beauty. And then I'm going to finish with some butter, because you can't really have a bread without butter. And these are stunning. Look at how fluffy and light and delicious they are. My mouth is watering. Because of the zaatar mix, they've got so much flavor in it that you can literally just have it with as it is, with some pickle, with some chutney, with some hummus, with some salad. Absolutely delicious. But I'm going to share an amazing veg bowl tomorrow, so don't forget to tune in and see how I'm going to be serving these delicious flatbreads. Till then,